Right, yo, boys, the time has finally fucking come. I'm going to start live trading on Monday, come next week. Going to be free, London session. If you aren't already, join the fucking Discord, join the room. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to put the Discord in the description. Come down to the Discord, right? You see the tab on the left? Boom, London Live. Come to the London Live waitlist. Boom, click this flag. We have 500 of you motherfuckers in the room waiting already. So look, if you don't already know, I passed like 5-6 accounts in the first week of this year, all within fucking 1 week, and acquired $500,000 funding in 1 week just by doing what I'm about to tell you. Look, London session, I've been on fire, right? Boom, winning every day in the first week of this year, only taken one loss, and I've literally taken all that funding, gone to New York, and got fucking, bro, bent over, slapped about, and fucking spat on. Now, learn from this. I have learned from this. I need to diversify my funding. I can't have all my eggs in one basket, because when New York's shit and London's on fire, I ain't reaping the benefits of London when all my funding and all my past accounts are fucking going to New York. And in New York, if you've got my New York account, bro, fucked. Today, just fucking bummed, right? I've literally taken L's every single day. Whereas on my London account, which by the way, every time I've been like, oh, I'm going to trade a fucking different session compared to London, these are all from fucking New York session. So now I'm like, I need funding for London as well as New York. Because look, New York has got me fucked. And I saw the comments yesterday on yesterday's video. You all saying how shit New York's been for you, how much you've all lost accounts, blown accounts, in drawdown. So I'm like, okay, cool. New York is not going to be like this forever. It's going to come back. Today wasn't the worst day. I got unfortunate. On my first trade, right, I ended up losing 2 accounts. I've got this 1 XFA left. I still have 5 Apex accounts, right? But unfortunately, it is what it is. Lost the first trade. Second trade, hit a 1 to 3. So I only made that on the rebound on my 100K funded. So I hit a 1 to 3. I lost $1,000 on the first trade, made 3,000 on the second trade. So I'm up, right? I take one more trade tomorrow in London session, hit a 1 to 2, passed 100K funded, bish bash bosh. But the important bit here is look, losses are going to come. It's part of fucking winning. You've seen me pass my accounts. You've seen how long it's taken me to pass my accounts. You've seen the ups, you've seen the downs, and guess the fuck what? I lost them. And do you know what? It is what it fucking is. Am I going to give up and be a bitch? Am I going to go sulk about it? Nah, bro. I'm doubling the foot down. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to live trade London session. Live trade Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. UK time, every single fucking morning, bro. And I'm going to show you boys, me in the trenches, making it out, and I do not give a fuck. So what I'm going to do is I understand, look, I have around a 60%, a 75% win rate, right? I did this last time. I bought 10 Apex accounts when they were 90% off. Right now is I'm going to buy 10 of these bitches, and I'm going to show you me doing it, right? So I'm going to come down here, trade a bit, come down to 50K account. Boom, credit card, coupon code. If you want to be able to get an account for 90% off like I'm about to do, use the code LOCKIN. Is press next. And there it is, boys. Literally $200 down to $19.70 for a 50K account. It's a 1 day pass, fucking meaning if you win one trade, you've passed the account, you're 50K funded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy 10 of these bitches and I'm going to trade 1 a day, right? I'm going to trade 1 a day, 10 for 10 days straight, and at the end of the 10 days, look, just bought it, right? Your payment has successfully just been processed. Boom, $20, and at the end of the 10 days, all the accounts that I actually pass, right? So say if I have a 60%, a 70% win rate, I should pass theoretically around 6 to 7 accounts like I did last time, which I still have, and then I'm going to activate them all, trade live, and fucking Bob's your uncle. So yo boys, if you do want to join me live, so boys, if you want to join me, trade live with me, let's have some fucking fun, let's run it up, join the waitlist, I'll be there Monday, another video tomorrow, and we just got to keep on pushing, bro, keep on pushing, do not give a fuck, do not stop, another day, another dollar, boys, lock the fuck in. It is what it is. If you fucked up, it is what it is. We keep on pushing. Lost all my accounts, can I do anything about it? Nah, they're fucking gone. You know what? Am I going to cry about it, whinge about it? Don't get me wrong, I'm a little bit pissed, but it is what it is, right? So, yo, boys, love every single one of you, man, grinding every single day. I know this shit's hard. This shit is not easy. No one gets into this thinking, right, this is going to be easy, I'm going to be rich tomorrow. Well, maybe some of you do, but let's be honest, 1%, 2% of traders are actually successful. Keep that in your mind. So you're going to be a bitch about the losses. You can't afford to, bro. You've got to keep on moving. I'm going to have to go buy another 9 accounts now and watch. Come next Monday, pass an account. Tuesday, pass an account. And we'll fucking run it up, boys. Sub, if you haven't already. But yo, boys, love every single fucking one of you. Let's get these fucking goals ticked off as well. Come on.